Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I'm Bucky. As you can see, I'm roasting my castor beans to make castor oil. I'm attempting to make it for the very first time, so the trouble is you can't even see the difference while roasting it, but I've done it for 20 minutes and we are done. Yeah, I just knew because it was smelling like when you're roasting peanuts. So this is how it looks. No big difference. It looks pretty much the same, and it's about 3 cups of the beans. So I'm gonna blend it in batches because I don't want to force my blender to just have everything in. So I'll do it in batches, and I'm gonna put just some water, just the level of the beans or slightly above. Let's see how it goes. No, I need to add a little more. I think what I added was very little, so I'll add a little more water. Yeah, and I don't want to force my blender. So yeah, this is better. Yeah, so I watched a few videos to see how it's done, and I just made coconut oil last week. I'm gonna try to see if the process is similar. Yeah, so let's do this, guys. Yeah, so this is my second batch, and since I learned it the hard way from the first batch, at least this one is easy. So put a little more water, not a lot of water, but at least slightly above whatever level of beans. So this is my final batch. So let's pour it out. I'm gonna use this cloth to strain it. This is my favorite cloth. It does an amazing job. Let's hope it works this time too. Now, so let's press it out. I'm experiencing some challenges here pressing it out. Maybe I should just get rid of the cloth and just use the strainer. Yeah, let's do it. So this is the residue, and what I'm going to do is I'll put back this residue in the blender and blend it again, just to extract everything that I could possibly get out of these beans. It's a lot of work and you want to get everything out. Yeah, so at this it's not looking shiny. I'm not seeing the presence of oil in it, so I'm gonna discard this. So now it's time to do some boiling. So this is what has been extracted after the straining. That's the most important thing now, to boil. And I did a lot of stirring because we do some stirring when making coconut oil, so I thought maybe I should do it the same way. So I kept stirring. I think there's a time when you just have to stop, but I did it. I stirred and stirred and stirred and stirred. So this is not a good thing. As you can see, it has boiled down, but I'm not seeing any presence of oil at the top. I kept stirring until it formed this thick paste like this one, and it even became thicker, and I could see the presence of oil in it, but it was not extractable. So I poured it into a small non-stick pot and added water and brought it to a boil. That's when I started seeing oil, and again I stirred it and I lost it. As you can see right now, at this time I was frustrated, I was angry. I mean, I was looking forward to this castor oil. Can you see that? You can see that there's oil in it, but just a little bit dripped from this strainer. So I put it back in the pot and boiled it, and this is what I extracted. Yeah, so I was able to extract some oil. At this point I was feeling a little better. I mean, after all the efforts I put in, but even this wasn't all that much, but at least I saw some oil at the top. So I added more water to this pot and then let it set for a while, scooped out some oil at the top, put back my pot on the stove, and then this is what I got. I mean, it's a little more yellow. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to look comparing it to the store-bought one, and I'm yet to filter it, but so far so good. Thanks guys so much for watching, and please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. Like, share. Bye.